Cafix Far Far West, Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022, redistributable x64 error on PC. 1. Restart your PC. Close the game completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Download Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Open a Microsoft official Visual C++ download page. Download Visual C++ 2015-2022 Redistributable x64. Save the installer to your PC. 3. Install the x64 Redistributable. Run the downloaded installer as administrator. Accept the license agreement. Complete the installation process. 4. Install the x86 version 2. Download Visual C++ 2015-2022 x86 version. Install it alongside the x64 version. Restart your PC afterward. 5. Repair existing Visual C++ files. Open Control Panel, Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Click Change, Repair. 6. Install latest Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all pending updates. Restart your PC after installation. 7. Verify game files. Open Steam or Game Launcher. Go to Far Far West Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 8. Run the game as administrator. Right-click Far Far West shortcut. Select Run as administrator. Also run Steam or Launcher as administrator. 9. Disable antivirus temporarily. Turn off third-party antivirus temporarily. Allow the game through Windows Security. Relaunch the game afterward. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Far Far West completely. Delete leftover game files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.